everybody. Welcome back to Bus Life.
No, I'm supposed to do that.
I can do it too. It's all of our channel.
It's our channel. It's called.
But it's my episode.
Yeah, it's your episode.
It's your channel, but it's all of our
We were
episodes.
gonna introduce your episode.
Yeah, this is our first episode. We gotta introduce it.
But before posting it, you have to have a theme song.
Okay.
Carl eats.
Okay. Well, just so that you know, every Wednesday from now on will be Carl Eats, and you will meet Carl just in a minute here.
Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Carl Eats. I'm Carl, your host, and today's topic. Oh, first of all, our special guest is
Logan.
Quality.
And if you remember from yesterday, Kaden.
Hey. Hi.
back to me. Back to me.
Self-absorbed.
Okay, today's episode, we will be eating Almond Joy, or just almonds. Wait, I gotta split it between the two
Almond
of us.
Joy. Isn't Almond Joy a candy?
Yes.
Yeah.
You keep saying Almond Joy.
Healthy. Part of a balanced breakfast. Logan, you're eating 5 almonds first. So
Gotta give a rating. Give a review.
You don't like almonds?
It looks good, chewed.
Like, wait.
It looks good chewed, guys.
It's white.
Called the Asian
It's good.
It's good? 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Alright, back to
Choking!
You laughed so hard at my puns, I think. Okay, almond. Crunchy. It's definitely white on the middle. Oh, yeah, almonds are brown on the outside. White like my soul.
I thought your soul was black.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, right. That's my soul that's black.
Yeah. You were wrong.
Yeah, you're white, I'm black, and you're
then
clear
she
to
said
the
that.
human eye.
Hey.
You're not in this episode.
Hey, you want to know the color of our souls? White, black, and clear to the human eye.
Yeah, because that's what popcorns are.
Balls.
I forgot I don't have any popcorn.
Okay, they are delicious. Delectable. I give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right.
Okay. Until next time on Carl Eats.
No more food?
No. Right. I have this, but I'm not gonna eat it raw.
Yeah, we're not going to eat raw
We're not
popcorn.
I will. And eat the plastics. Choking hazards.
Tastes great.
Eat it.
11 out of 10. 11 out of 10.
What the heck?
Delicious. Best thing I've ever eaten since 2018. Definitely plasticky.
Is it something that you would recommend other people eating?
Yes. I give it a 12 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
And next week we will be eating flowers. That's right, flowers. Plastic, organic flowers. Cut.
Not cut. Until next time, every Wednesday is Carl Eats. Remember, some other days of the week we will also be doing random funny videos.
Wait, I have something to add.
Let me
Okay.
get it.
We post we post every day of the week except for weekends, I think. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, wait. Theme song. You said we had to figure out.
Carl Eats.
Do you approve
He just said you
of
better
our theme
listen to me,
song?
motherfucker.
Do you approve of our theme
Literally
song?
what he said to me.
Huh?
You know you're trying to
Do
call
you
in and
approve
text
of our theme
message,
song?
No. He
What
just
is it?
Theme song. Hey, Carl, you have to show the thing.
I don't trust you alone.
You can already show the theme
Bailey
song.
screwed this over.
You told me to say something ridiculous.
I was like best friends with Joe, and now he's pissed because apparently. No, she isn't dating anyone.
Wait,
but
Joe? What happened?
Joe and Tom, they're twins. I'm talking about a different Joe.
Incest.
Okay,
they're talking.
seriously.
We're talking. Okay, so I
Guys,
was
seriously, you said we had to do the theme song before we leave.
JK.
Carl Eats.
Do you approve?
I approve.
Do you approve? Of what? Of our theme song!
I'm Donald Trump, and I approve this message.
You wasn't really Obama.
Alright, either way, that is it for this video.
Hello.
Later!